How to change Monopoly Go Facebook account. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go application on your phone. Here we go. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner right here. Now tap on settings at the bottom. Okay, now tap on connect account. Now after tapping on it, you can see that my Facebook account says disconnect, which means that I have connected my Monopoly Go to my Facebook account. Now in order to switch accounts, what you can do is just tap on disconnect and then you will be logged out of your Facebook ID from Monopoly Go. Now in order to use a different Facebook ID, what you have to do is you have to go to Facebook and log out of your current ID and then go to Monopoly Go again and then again tap on connect to Facebook. Now after doing this step, you will be led to a Facebook login page where you have to enter credentials and details of your secondary Facebook account. And after you have entered your details, you can successfully use a different Facebook ID to play Monopoly Go. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.